Today video high-res noise cancelling headphones, 70 hours of battery life. Let's unbox it. Ta-da! And in the box we do have the headphones, cable, headphone jack cable and USB Type-C to A cable. And I guess a manual. Yes. Okay. We do have a little bit of punch on the head. Okay, can we? Yes, we can. You can squeeze them just like that for transport. That's super cool. We do have a giant microphone for that noise cancellation in both sides. Buttons. Active noise cancellation, plus power, plus and minus. Headphone jack, USB Type-C and indicator. Active noise cancellation. It is a bit loud in here. Let me press the button. Whoa, now that is a huge difference. Active noise cancellation. Here's the app. Pause the video if you want to scan the QR code. And there you go. Then you have a battery percentage. You do have a control for your music if you wanted to. Sound, equalizer, pop, bass, rock, soft, classic. You can customize it if you wanted to. Noise cancellation, normal, transparency, and noise cancellation. You can control how advanced it could be. How much power you want to have, transparency and noise. Left and right, discover your new item, 10% discount. You have all kinds of items, me, and of course settings, so you can change the layout of the buttons, find your headset, timer, game mode for fast latency, firmware update, and more. How much sound is going out? Leaks, bassy. Maximum volume. Sound itself, bass. A lot of bass. Very basic. And warm sound. Maybe even too warm. It all depends what sound would you like. But I think lows are getting a little bit on the mids and highs. So separation is not that obvious. It's it's too much bass. At least for me. You have to be really a huge bass head to enjoy those. If you like warm, super warm and bassy sound, those are the headphones for you. And of course, great noise cancellation. Could be ideal for traveling on planes, vehicles, and all kinds of noisy environment. See you next video. Bye. Link in the description.